Hey guys, in this video I will be doing another product review. Surprisingly, this is the same bag that I reviewed last time, but this was sent by mistake. So I'm going to show you guys what handbag that I received. And this is from the brand Babila Bags. If you haven't heard Babila Bags, they have handbags, belts, accessories, or shoes. You can check their website. You can find a lot of stuff from their website. I was surprised that they sent me the same handbag that I'm going to show you in this video. So here it is. Unfortunately, the box got ruined or something. See, probably from the shipping. See that? And this is what the box looks like. And this is the, it's a Louis Vuitton. If you haven't watched that video, I'll put the link in the description box below. And let's open this. This is the bag right here. It's inside. But before that, I'm going to show you what's in the box. They have this papers in case that you will give it to your sisters, to your mom, to your friends, or even for yourself. These papers, put that in the bag or wrap it. And then the next one is this card. And so it says LV there, just a paper. And what else? A brochure or manual. Of course, the card and the ribbon and the box. I'm gonna show you the bag. It comes with a dust bag. It says Louis Vuitton. So in case that you don't want the bag to get dirty, you can just put it in the dust bag. I love to collect handbags and shoes. What else? Watches, kind of like that. So yeah, they wrap it with this plastic, and ta-da! It's the same bag. So I'm gonna show you the other one so you will know that I have two bags. It's a twinning this time. And here it is. This is the one that I reviewed last time. If you're interested, I do have a coupon code. It's right here. I will also put the code and the links in the description box below. It's a big bag. LV CARRYALL handbag or bag. And this is the ties. If you want to, you can tie it. To me, it's not necessary, like I said on my first video, but I like to have a zipper. This one doesn't have a zipper, but that's all right because it's just easy to get everything. If I have a bag that has a zipper, I don't usually zip it. But I know I have to zip it because if I don't, then if I drop my bag, everything will be on the ground or on the floor. Bubble wrap here is the strap. There you go. It's more like a belted strap. Yeah, it's pretty. Put that over there. And what else is in here? And this is a mini wallet or wristlet. Yeah, wristlet. If you don't want to carry that big bag, you can just carry this wristlet. And that is the plastic. And look at that, guys. You can put your money or your cell phone. I don't like carrying a big bag. Not unless that I will be traveling, then I will have a lot of stuff. So that would be very handy. And this one, if you just want to carry your money or your cell phone. And here is the strap. This one is just the rubber. Just insert it here like that and like that. There you go. Or you can also put this in the big bag. That would be nice. This one Like a tag. It says LV, and in the back, look at the guys, the inside. It's really spacious. If you don't want to use this two straps right here, you can use this magnetic thing over here. Just close it like that. There you go. See? And there is a compartment in here. There's a zipper. Like if you want to go to the beach, you can put a towel. And if you want to work out, you can just put your workout shoes. You can also put iPads in here because this is a big one. This is really big. And there's logos over here. It says LV like that. It is pretty cool, really. And there's studs. It's a good quality. See? And yeah, there you go, guys. Well, I'm not done yet because I have to put this strap. You can, if you want to. The strap is pretty long, so just hook the strap. I'm gonna put the strap clear to the end, or maybe here, a second hole. If you want to wear this like a sling bag, you could, and then if you just want it like a shoulder bag, that would be great also. Pretty nice. Since, see, I have two bags right now, I can give this to either one of my sister or to a friend. Yeah, they could use this. I don't want extra since, you know, I already have this. I think they will be happy for that. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, you can just leave a comment down below. And thank you, Bella Bags, for sending this another bag for me to review. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. And thank you guys for keep supporting my channel, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.